Have you ever been so excited about a boat that it makes you do cartwheels in the sales lot? No? Well, you've never been on a Sea Ray 290 SDX. I'm Captain Nick Pavlakis with MarineMax St. Petersburg. Let's get this party started. Twin V8 250 Verada is pushing this boat through the water. Not a lack of horsepower whatsoever. If anything, all I can tell you is hold on when you punch those throttles. I know the question on everybody's mind right now. Nick, what are you going to name this boat? Well, good question, viewers. I'm going to lighten the mood a little bit. I'm going to name this 290 the Cookies and Cream Edition. All right, let's turn the cheese. All right, let's tone the cheese down a little bit, guys. Back here, lounging area, serves a purpose too. While everybody can see the seating all over the boat, which is nothing new, especially with some of the smaller models or other Sea Ray models, the big thing that you gain on the 290 over the extremely popular 270 is right here. You got the fridge and a nice little prep station. Keep your champagne bottle in there. Got a sink over here. You really gain that versatility. Infinity woven vinyl flooring right here, good stuff, removable, great for the salt water, real durable. Follow me over here, port side, you do have the head. You notice you have an actual toilet in there, not a little porta potty. We went a little bit crazy when we ordered this boat. Couple of reasons that you're really gonna appreciate. One, we upgraded a Simrad screen right here from a 9-inch to a 12-inch screen. Also over here, you've got the joystick, which comes with Skyhook and many other features that come with the Mercury joystick system. Up here, have some forward-facing seats. Fit comfortably 4 or 5 adults in a circle. See the table right here. Comes with 2. Eat your lunch up on the bow. And of course, on a 290, you're gonna have your windlass, so you're not gonna be throwing your back out at the sandbar. I know what you're thinking right now. Relax, Nick, you cheeseball. It's just a boat, nothing to get that excited about. Well, come on down, see it for yourself, and you'll see exactly what I mean. I'm Captain Nick with MarineMax St. Petersburg, and I look forward to getting you and your family out on the water in 2020. Bye, guys.